Hello again. This is a beautiful story. It's written and illustrated by Helen Taylor. It's called The Indigo Bird. This book is published by Penguin, New Zealand. It is an amazing book and I hope you enjoy looking at the illustrations. They are very beautiful. At the very edge of our world, hidden in the mist, is a land where the birds dress in iridescent cloaks of purple and red. Turn the pages, come in and find us. I'm looking for a friend of mine. I wonder, have you seen him? He's indigo blue and black olive green. I've heard his sad voice on the wind through the trees. I've seen his feathers on tussock teasing the weaker. I've even seen his tracks in the snow. But he's vanished again, my Takahe friend. Oh, can you see somebody hiding? I'm Fantail. I'll find him. Come out to play, my Takahe friend. I'm the trickster. Let's party. Let's splash in the puddles and dance in the leaves. But nobody answers. Is anyone there? He's vanished again, my Takahe friend. I'm wondering whether you might be able to see him anywhere. I'll ask Tui to search through the sun. I'll ask the winged bugs. Who knows what they've seen? I'll tell them he's moody. He's a loner. He's shy. Oh, there. Can you see his eye? But he's vanished again, my Takahe friend. Has he really vanished? Or can you see him? Maybe it's only at night that he wanders through the shadows of black, olive green. Kakapo dances from sunset to dawn. He sings with the moths. Who knows what they've seen? Can you find our friend? Hidden. But he's vanished again, my Takahe friend. Who's that through the rain with long legs and feet? Who's darting about in bright red and blue? Hey, Takahe dancer, is that really you? No, shrieks poor Kiko, unless he's shrunk in the wash. He's red and blue too, but he's bigger than me. Oh. He's not around here, your Takahe friend. Or is he? Can you find him? But he must be here somewhere. He's indigo blue, he's black olive green. I've searched through the sun, the dark and the mist. I've danced on the water and talked to the bugs. I've asked him to play, I've asked him to party. He's gone and got lost, my Takahe friend. Has anyone seen him? Yes, cries a voice, a resonant call that paints all the sunlight with indigo blue. I know where I am, but do you? Stop, look and listen. Open your eyes. Brush the ants from your feathers. Sit still for a while. With your chattering, twittering, dancing about, the only bird you have lost is yourself. moody or shy, but don't ask me to dance. Let's just talk while I walk, you fan-tailed trickster. We've always been here, your Takahe friends. And that's the end of that story. I really love this book because it's got such beautiful illustrations, and it makes me think about our wildlife here in New Zealand. Are we really looking after it? Do we hear the bird sounds? Do we find the feathers? If you're going for a walk today, I wonder if you might look out for some birds. I wonder if you might recognise some of them. Until next time, ka kite.